Hello, welcome to iBoysoft channel. External hard drives are great storage devices for data sharing and data backup for extending the internal storage of your computers. But many people don't know how to utilize their external hard drives better and don't know how to set up an external hard drive for both PCs and Macs. Recently, I got a new Seagate hard drive for video backup. So I believe it's a very good chance to show you how to set up a new hard drive for both PCs and Macs, and of course how to better utilize your external hard drive. By the way, I want to mention that we'll have a few new Windows computers coming very soon. I will do the unboxing and the reviews of them very soon too. If you don't want to miss those videos, please subscribe to our channel and keep watching those videos. Thank you very much. Before I open it up, I have a question for you. What information will you pay attention to on the package when you're selecting an external hard drive? For me, the items that I will pay most attention to are the capacity, the compatibility, and the connector type. Take the hard drive in my hand, for example. It's a 2 terabyte hard drive, and it says here it's compatible with Windows 7 or higher. And says reformatting is required for use with Mac computers. And the connector type is USB 3.0 and USB 2.0. After knowing the 3 items, I pretty much know if this hard drive is a good choice for me. Let's just open it up. It comes with a cable and the drive itself. I like this color. It's dark gray. It's pretty simple. Then we need to connect this side, this USB 2.0 side to this. Then I will connect this new hard drive to my computer to check some basic information. There's a light on this hard drive, and I can hear it's humming inside. You can see the hard drive is called Seagate Basic. Has appeared on my desktop. Select it, click Get Info. As you can see, its format is unknown. That's probably the Microsoft NTFS formatted. NTFS file system is read-only on Mac computers. If you want to keep this hard drive NTFS formatted and you want to use it between Macs and Windows, you will need an NTFS for Mac software like iBoysoft NTFS for Mac to be able to read and write to NTFS formatted hard drive. Or you need to extend the kernel extensions in macOS to be able to write to NTFS formatted drives on Mac too. I will add the links in the video description to let you know how to read and write to NTFS drives on Mac. If you don't want to keep the NTFS format on your external hard drive, you need to go to Disk Utility in Reformatted. Just open Launchpad, go to Other folder, and then click Disk Utility. Select the drive, then click Erase. Give it a name, okay? If you want to make your hard drive to be compatible both with Windows and macOS, you need to select FAT or exFAT to be the file system of your external hard drive. I recommend exFAT here, then click Erase to confirm. After the erase process is complete, just click Done. The current external hard drives come with large capacity, at least 500 gigabytes. Some desktop external hard drives come with 5 terabytes or even 8 terabytes. So using one single partition on your hard drive is not very good for file organization, and it can't utilize your external hard drive to the best. I recommend that you use multiple partitions on your external hard drive. I will show you how to partition your external hard drive on Mac. I usually recommend that you use at least 3 partitions on your external external hard drive, one for Mac only, and one for Windows only, and one for file sharing between Macs and Windows computers. All these operations need to be done in disk utility too. Just open disk utility, then select the external hard drive we just formatted. Then click on partition, the toolbar. Then I'm going to create another partition for Mac use only. And when you connect this hard drive to a Windows computer, you are not able to edit any files in that partition to protect my files from any unwanted modification on Windows computer. So I'm going to create a Mac partition, and I want this format to be macOS Extended or even NTFS, because both macOS Extended and NTFS can be read and written in Windows computer. So I will just choose the macOS Extended here and decide what size I want this partition to be. I will leave 1 terabyte there. Then wait for the partition process is done. It may take a few minutes. You can partition your external hard drives, add more partitions to your external hard drive in Windows too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video can help you learn how to set up a new external hard drive for both Macs and PCs, and how to partition your hard drive, especially when you have a hard drive with large capacity.